In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Facebook lead ads form to Google Sheets. Whether you're running marketing campaigns, collecting customer information, or just want an organized way to track your leads, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Facebook Business Manager and make sure you have admin access to the Facebook page and lead form you want to use. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click on All Tools. From there, find Instant Forms under Events Manager. Here, you can confirm which form is actively collecting your leads. This step ensures that you're connecting the correct form and avoids any mix-ups later on. Next, open Google Sheets in your browser and create a new blank spreadsheet. Give it a name that will help you identify it later, like Facebook Leads. Then, set up your column headers for the information you want to receive, such as name, email, phone number, or any other fields from your Facebook lead form. Preparing your headers beforehand makes mapping the data simple and ensures all your leads are organized perfectly. To connect Facebook to Google Sheets, we'll use a third-party automation tool like Zapier. Go to zapier.com and log in or create a free account. Click Create Zap. And for the Trigger app, search for Facebook Lead Ads. Select the trigger event called New Lead, which will automatically detect any new submissions from your form. Next, select the Action app as Google Sheets. Choose Create Spreadsheet row. Connect your Google account and select the spreadsheet you prepared earlier. If your spreadsheet has multiple worksheets, make sure to select the correct one. Then, map each field from your Facebook form to the corresponding column in Google Sheets. This ensures that every lead is recorded accurately and automatically. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook lead ads form is now live and connected to Google Sheets. Every new lead will automatically populate your spreadsheet without any manual input. It's also a good idea to test the Zap by submitting a test lead to confirm that everything is working correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your lead management. If this helped you out, share it with others who might be facing the same challenge. Why not make someone's day easier?